Today we're going to review NordVPN Apple TV application, because as you know, NordVPN, you can change your IP on the computers and it's very easy to change your IP so you can watch TV from other country. But I always have trouble to do the same thing on the Apple TV. Some people said you can change the IP from the router, but it's very complicated. Instead, I just discovered that NordVPN has its own app for the Apple TV, so you can simply go there, change the location that you want to change. In our case, we want to put Italy. And done. Now you can access your favorite software. For example, I have this little software that lets me view all the Italian television, and it works great. As you can see, I can select this one that normally doesn't work, and works. You can also have the option to change your IP from all this country. And now let's do a test. If we disconnect NordVPN, our application to view the TV from Italy doesn't work anymore. Also, you can, after you change your IP, you can log in other applications like Prime Time, Prime Video, and view movie that usually don't show up on your account. However, for other applications like Discovery Plus and Netflix, I think you need to have an account from the country you want to watch, because it doesn't work. In my case, it doesn't work just going there with my American account. So that's all for NordVPN. I had another VPN for a long time, but it lacked this feature on Apple TV, so I just switched to NordVPN just because of this app. So that's all for this review. Bye bye.